After fighting with it for basically an entire day, this is an audio test to see how loud I am in relation to playing the video game. And there's a cockatrice here. I am not excited to fight that. I do not want to. Oh, that's locked. There is like nothing around me. There we go. All right. Not the most exciting loot. Oh, that'll sell for a good amount. Mildly decent loot. There's a potion of protection over there. But I don't want to alert the cockatrice. That startled me. All right. Oh. Don't mind if I do. Okay, I do kind of need to find an egg. Oh, there you are. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna need to use the campfire kit. This ring of finesse is really good. That bridge is going to take too long to open. And that's an entire 2 modules away. Oh. Treasures. I hear players. I can't afford to waste health willy-nilly. Oh, this is the best kettle hat I've ever seen. I can go this way. I think I'm gonna need to. It seems no one's come this way. I'm gonna need to take a red exit. Yeah, there's just too much stuff. This audio test is getting a bit more in-depth. Give him all of the treasures. That's the best I could do. It's not a smart idea to go down to Inferno. Especially since I don't have any medical supplies. I'm also surrounded by blue exits. I can just take some of those. That's a worrying sign. I don't know if the broken skull's used in crafting or not. Weird. Okay, how do I want to do this? Let's think about this. That's the boss room, I think. So I want to go north. And that looks like fishing grounds. I'm currently in corridors. And this is guard posts. Uh-oh. There we go. That's pretty good. I normally don't take off the plate armor for anything that's not other plate armor. Oh, shit. I don't know where that is. That's a player. I might be able to just run past him, though. Or not, because the exit's not open yet. Or if it is open, he just took it. Well, there's one way to find out. Oh, I should have given the ring. Too late now. Exit has not opened yet. Okay, drop that. I might actually be able to make room for it if I do some stuff like this. Oh wait, no, not like that. Wait, what was I doing this for? It wasn't for... Whatever. Loot is loot. Oh, it opened. Oh, they were here for this. Well, I mean, if they're not gonna take this loot, I will. They just left so much stuff on these people. What? Oh, I put that over here. Anyway, and I'll just take that too. So that was a pretty successful looting run. And I'm going to end recording and listen to this back. And also fix up some and also fix up some subtitles.